Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best brushless drone. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's a result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, PXVFWS. Model number, H9 Max. The H9 Max RC drone is completely portable, very easy to transport, thanks to its system of folding arms that allow you to carry it in a backpack without problems. Gone are the larger and bulkier drones. Now what it takes are these drones much more manageable, so you can put them in a suitcase and take them out on your next trip or adventure. 5G Wi-Fi FPV, the Ultra HD 4K aerial camera, MV special effect, GPS return home, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, waypoint flight, smart follow gesture photo, headless mode and etc. Advanced signal transmission technology allows the image transmission distance to be as high as 500 meters, and the remote control distance is as high as 1000 meters, so that the flight is no longer limited. 5G signal real-time high-definition image transmission is stable. Number 4. Brand name, QJ. Model number, S608 Pro. Converging many current advanced flight technologies, with independent original chips, with a specially tuned GPS positioning system, 4K movie-level imaging system, sufficient in order to let your creation freely. ESC 6K HD wide-angle camera. The angle can be adjusted to 90 degrees by the controller. Connected bleep with 56 Wi-Fi function, can take photos or videos and transmit images in real time through the phone camera. GPS-assisted flight provide you with accurate positioning details of the drone. Folding in 3 seconds, light and portable, the body adopts a humanized folding design. And the 17.7 centimeters long folding body allows you to easily carry it on every trip. The built-in return-to-home function can ensure safer flight. The drone will automatically and accurately return home when the battery is on or out of range when the signal is weak, without worrying about losing the drone. Dual camera design, support top-view shooting and head-up shooting. Dual lenses can be switched at will. Number 3. Brand name, Sherry Funbay. Model number, S105. The S105 foldable RC drone comes with 4K cameras, capture amazing pictures and videos from the sky. With a stable gimbal, the drone records vibration-free footage. Click on any point on the app interface, it will automatically fly according to the assigned point, which allows the pilot to focus on camera control and enables more complex shots. Set a specific building or position as your point of interest. Your aircraft will continuously circle clockwise around the preset point. This S105 RC drone is equipped with folding propellers and arms, 5G Wi-Fi, ESC, 4K front camera, 480 pixels bottom camera with optical flow, gesture photo or video, follow me, track the flight and etc. Number 2. Brand name, Fly RC. Model number, KF102. The KF102 GPS RC drone offers lots of intelligent flight modes, besides common functions, GPS return home, GPS positioning, waypoint flight, point of interest, trajectory flight, GPS tracking or host tracking or palm control are available. 2-axis stabilized gimbal allows you to shoot a more stable and clearer image. In addition, KF102 features a superior 4K camera and all-in-one functions delivering the power for a smooth flight. With a one-key return function, the drone can find its way back home easily. Enhanced mechanical stabilization of the gimbal can better eliminate camera shake and improve camera image quality. Number 1. Brand name, CVNSF. Model number, F11S Pro. Experience splendid 4K Ultra HD picture quality and 2.9K video for stunning clarity, high contrast, vivid colors. Bring amazing view sight. The camera with a degree Fahrenheit OV lens and degree adjustable camera gives a broad view of your memorable moment. Equipped with one upgraded 2500 mAh intelligent battery, provides up to 30 minutes flight time, gives you more fun. The drone has the function of safe return home, and thanks to it the SJRC F11S 4K Pro automatically returns to the takeoff point in case of loss of the RC signal or the low voltage of the flight battery. In addition, RTH can be triggered manually. SJRC F11S Pro is portable and very easy to carry. It has a system of folding arms that allow you to carry it without inconvenience. These kinds of drones are much easier to handle compared to the larger and bulkier ones, so they can be put in a suitcase and be easily transported on any trip. The drone will auto-returning to the takeoff location when it's lost signal or low power. Don't have to worry about losing your drone, just enjoy the fun of flying. The photo and video quality and the flight duration recommend it because it offers a satisfying experience to the one who uses it. With a 4K HD camera,